welcome to the Zergus channel. If you want to see how I got here, watch to the end of the video. Enjoy this one, make sure to leave a like right now. Dude, I dare you. My phone, taped to the mirror, okay? Hello, editor's notes. Yes, the quality of this video is very bad. I have never streamed from my phone on Twitch, and I didn't realize that the camera quality is like it literally is like 423p or something like that, something horrible. So if you cannot stand that, then this is not the video for you. It's time to click off right now. But if you don't mind, I promise the jokes are still funny, the makeup is still good, looks even better since you can't see it that clearly. But the video is still good, so if you don't mind the quality, then keep watching. I'm so sorry about the background noise. It's him. He's right here. He's not going anywhere. He might be here the whole time, so just you'll have to get used to it. So today I put my bangs on for the first time in, well, I guess since I shaved my head. And the short bangs, they're fun, they're silly, but then when you look back on them, you're like, wow, that actually is probably one of the worst decisions I've ever made. I got my toner. I don't actually know what this does, but I like having steps. It just makes me feel better. Maybe not ruining my skin by putting like straight white paint on it. And then I have this little brush. My skin has been like amazing since I started using this. I've seen like posts about people who are like, do y'all talk while you're doing your makeup like you're a YouTuber too, or is that just me? And everyone's like, oh my god, yeah, I do that too. But I've literally never done that because I need high focus while I do my makeup. And we're not gonna have high focus today since I am doing this for you too. Y'all don't even want to see my counter right now. I can see maybe like 1 square inch of it with all this makeup on it. So this is gonna be interesting. I did not set up for this at all. I woke up at noon this morning and I said, you know what would be fun? You know what would be fun if I did a makeup tutorial today. The primer's on. We get this bad boy. This is what we use. We're going full goth today. The only thing that I don't like about this is it's not like exactly full coverage, but I can't really, I don't know. It's really better that my face just isn't completely white after I do this, because that might be a little startling to some people. The eye makeup is the most fun part, because everything else is pretty much the same every time you do it. Doesn't really get changed much, but eye makeup, you can change it every time. I do look like a ghost right now. I do like 4 layers of this. We just have to not like blend it out, we just have to pat it in there, like that. Pretty much all of what I do on my face I learned from doing one singular drag makeup tutorial by Trixie Mattel. I'm not complaining, it was a good tutorial, I learned a lot, but yeah, it ruined me. Whenever I'm like, oh, I'm gonna see the guy I like today at school, I gotta look cute, I do my makeup like this. I look like a ghost. Cracked up. Oh yeah, this is my Mehron Cream Blend Stick in shade, I don't know, white probably. See, they don't really make black contour, so you know what I use? Shade black. And we just throw it on there. And now I look snatched. I had a eyeshadow palette with just black and white, and it was gorgeous. It was like that big, just black and white, like 2 really big ones. And then I was going over to have a sleepover at my friend's house, and I had this is my eye makeup bag. It's empty right now because everything is just all over my counter. Oh! But I was carrying that. The zipper was open, and I went to go down my stairs, and I dropped it, and everything fell out like on the stairs, like all my eyeliners and my mascaras and stuff. It just fell out like right in front of me. You know the one thing that fell all the way down the stairs and hit the ground? My eyeshadow palette. Whatever. But I was gonna do it yesterday before school. Dude. No. 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 I was hold on. I probably should have powdered this first because where I'm putting the black on my cheekbones, my like actual skin color is starting to show through a little bit. I'm not really worried about my eye whiteness that much because this whole area in a bit is just gonna be black. He's back. He's back. He's back. This is Argus. He's the one I'm named after. I'm getting white on him probably. And now I've touched a cat, so I probably have to wash my hands again. Excuse me, Mr. Sir. Here's the first one. It's called Araceli. As you can see, the tip is cut off. That's because when I was making a Sapnap fan art, I like finished painting it and then I brought it back upstairs and realized I forgot to color in one part black. And I didn't want to go back downstairs and I hated this eyeliner, so I just cut it so I would be able to like fill in better. So we got this one. Got this one. It's my only like not gel or liquid one, whatever it's called. I like this one. This is for casual days, not today. Then here is what we'll be using today. Is the pot of gel eyeliner. Because this can cover my whole eye and it won't run out super fast. He is just constantly rubbing back and forth against my shirt. Like, I don't know if this is gonna show up, but you see how much cat hair? Yeah, you can see. That's all from like literally the last 15 minutes. Right. So we do it like this, you do it bigger on this side because my eyes are like slanted down like that. Yes, because now my eyes look more like even like that. Now we'll do the eyeliner. This is the important part. This is the focus. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Get some white noise. Can y'all hear him? It's so bad. This is every morning. This is every single morning he does this. Okay. We're just gonna have to push through. Anyways. So this is just like constant experimenting. I do something different every time. Something about it always looks bad, but something always looks good. All that I know is that this whole eyelid is gonna be covered up. So let's do that first. I don't know. We're going all the way. We're going all the way to my hairline today. See, this is what I was talking about. Remember when I was like, I don't want my eyes to look droopy? This is how I fix that problem. It's perfect. My eyes don't look droopy anymore. They're just pointy now. Do you see what I mean when I say this was inspired by drag queens? Okay, no. This doesn't look bad. I do look like a drag queen, but it does not look bad. Right, I'm actually gonna do the full eye before I move to the other one because that's how we do it here on the Zergus channel. You might be thinking, but Catherine, you haven't contoured your nose. How are you gonna contour your nose? This is how. We just take our eyebrows down. We just take our eyebrows down, and that is how we contour our nose. Not horrible. You have to admit, it isn't the worst thing we've ever seen. It's up there though. All right, you know what? Actually, this does not look bad at all. I am done flaming myself. This makeup looks good. I really hate the way my eyebrow looks. It doesn't look as bad on the camera though, so we can just pretend that what you're seeing is how it looks in real life. God, my eyebrow is like too fat. Should I just shave them off? Should I just shave it off? Okay, I have this little thing. This is like a facial hair remover. Things are falling. Looks good now. It looks better than it did before, and all I had to do was shave off like a handful of eyebrow hairs. Okay, Here we go. Next eye. Next eye. Next eye. Why don't we just say the other eye? I only have two. Why would we say next eye, implying there are more to follow? It's okay. It's okay. I don't know. I don't know where anything is. I don't know where anything is. I'm speedrunning my goth makeup. First try? Do I hear first try? Do I hear first try? I swallowed wrong. I'm so sorry. There's a cat here. He's right here. He's been there the whole time I've been doing my eyes. He's been there. I'm like baby raging over my eyeliner. Okay, we're gonna get this. We're gonna get this, okay? This is not something I struggle with. I am the god of eyeliner. I am the best person who has ever done eyeliner. Ever. Okay? Okay? That's what I thought. There he is. He finally made his own appearance. Okay, y'all see what the issue is here, right? Y'all see what the issue is? This one is like way higher than this one. Oh, yeah. Oh, yes. No problem. No problems at all. I've never had a problem. That looks awesome. Solved. Solved. Just like that. And I made a big deal for what? For nothing. If you just do your eyeliner big enough so that it looks symmetrical from the front, even if it's like absolutely whack out of everything on the sides, then it's fine. Look, looks good from this angle, looks good. Looks crazy from this angle. Let's forget that happened. Let's erase that from our memories. Literally this blend right here looks scrumptious. I would gobble that up. The rest of it, on the other hand, would not be gobbled up. I would not want to gobble that up ever in a million years. If I just do a little line here. That is right. Sometimes people look at me and they say, Catherine, how does it feel to be the best makeup artist in all of YouTube? It feels good. Sometimes I hate my nose because it's like big and gross, but it really works with this look. I don't know, I can't explain it. Goilies, it looks beautiful right now. If you got a nose like this, just wear goth makeup. Makes it look good. Come on, let's be honest with ourselves. Think about all of the beautiful people you know, and how some of them have the same nose as you. This is something we need to consider. Alright, okay, here's what we need to do. So we need to add my white lines, because that is something I'm very big on, is random white lines in my face. Let's put one here. See, white line here. And this is how we get our contrast. Oops, that one was a little thick. Not going to lie to you. All right, we need some eyeliner. I know there's one under my leg somewhere. My nose contour is uneven, by the way. Are we done? I'm forgetting something. I know I am. I know I am. Oh, lipstick! Here it is. Here we go. Are you ready? I like to destroy... No, that's a weird word. I like to remove my Cupid's bow I personally think they're lame. I also overline my lips a lot because when the rest of my makeup looks like this, I can do whatever the hell I want with my mouth. That sounds really weird. I'm a minor. It's because the black lipstick pulls it together so much. It does make your teeth look really yellow, especially when you're... It's okay. Anyways, alright, we gotta move the kitty cat. Thumbnail. Okay, here's the thing. Here is the thing. Normally, I would not be done because I would have to put on fake eyelashes and powder and setting spray and mascara and stuff. Here's the thing. I do have fake eyelashes. I have 3 different kinds, except for all of them, I only have the left eyelash. Tell me how. Tell me how. It's my favorite part. I need something to like, hold on, give me a second. This drawing of Timothy Chalamet I made for likes on TikTok, we'll use that. I know y'all are jealous. Okay, thank you so much everyone for watching. If you want to see more like IRL videos, not Minecraft stuff, let me know. Yeah, if you enjoy this, make sure to subscribe for more goth stuff on my Minecraft Let's Play channel. Yeah, like and comment. Thank you. Bye-bye. See you next time.